I always believed that colors have a life of their own, but today I wanted to see them breathe in my painting. So I picked up my brushes, dipped them in water, and let the colors flow. Today I am painting some beautiful flowers, not just with paint but with emotions. You know what? When I was a child, I used to collect fallen petals, trying to preserve their beauty forever. But today, I realized colors never die, they just find a new home in art. First, I start with a light wash, gently spreading the color. The magic of watercolor in their unpredictability. The way they merge, blend, and create something unexpected. Life is just like that, is not it? Sometimes things does not go as planned, but if we trust the process, something beautiful emerges. Tell me what your favorite color and what does it reminds you of. For me, it is soft pink, the color of hope, love, and dreams. And here it is, my today's watercolor painting. Some simple flowers, yet full of life, just like every dream we nurture, every moment we cherish. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting content. And hey, if you have ever wanted to paint, remember all you need is a brush, some colors, and a little courage to start.